What's up, everybody? Good morning. I'm here at Endless AUTOSALON once again. Joey over there.
Fuck the world!
Joe over here. With his vulgar tone and attitude today. What's wrong, Joe? Anyways, Joe's working on whatever the fuck that is.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is that, Joe?
It's some sort of those brew beep beep punk out. Is it Cabriolet
Camaro? Anyways, so Sema. Everybody in the automotive industry knows that it is preparation week for Sema. If you're late, obviously. Yeah, so this is gonna be a Sema car, and then we have that one that's gonna be a Sema car, and yeah, I'm gonna be here for a while, and I'm gonna show you them both and see what Joey and Joe's been doing all day and yesterday with them. So let's get to it. So, Saad decided to come in, and on my Snapchat, I recorded him almost running me over when he pulled in, but I didn't have my camera. But yeah, he's here. He's in the bathroom. And yeah, I'm gonna make him let me drive this thing, this fine ass Zeke. Saad, can you let me drive?
What?
You're gonna let me drive, right?
Yeah, I forgot, I promise you.
Oh, fucking Saad. Hell yeah. Alright, so it's that time for today's video. So stoked, guys. Ooh, let's go. Ooh.
Pinch it.
Baby. Woo. Nice. I don't want to travel that far from the shop, so I think I'm gonna make a U-turn somewhere.
Yeah.
That was fun. This is definitely like driving a race car. I feel like I'm driving one. It's so loud.
Ridiculous.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready exhaust. That's fucking epic.
Cold start's crazy.
I bet. Dude, it was loud as hell right now.
My house is shaking when I start cold start.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do your neighbors like it or no? No, huh?
My neighbor doesn't complain.
No?
Because I'm nice to them.
Alright guys, so we're back from driving the Z, me and Saad, and first impressions, I couldn't drive it for shit in the beginning. I'm so used to my car and how easy it is.
It's a freaking tinker toy instead of a real car.
Exactly, that's exactly how I felt.
Honda,
So yeah, like the whole gearbox, it was just way like harder to get used to, and then afterwards I jumped right into my car and it felt like a toy. And then yeah, so Joy's over here fucking with me. And yeah, just it was really different compared to my car. And then but I loved it. It was great. So now Joy's over here working on this car. It was in here when we got back. And then Joe's over here working on, what is this? What part is this?
Trim to the fender of the M5.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. And then I didn't know that that was bagged until I got back. Look at that shit. Right there. This right here. 3-piece wheel. Oh yeah, and the baby stroller. 5 horsepower. Closing out the video with this Mazda Speed 3. This is the owner right here, and we're gonna be working together right after Sema. I don't think I mentioned it, but I'm gonna be headed to Sema, so this is the closing part of the video. And yeah, wait to see it on the channel, guys. It's gonna be sick, with the bumper, of course, though.